Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your name on Sportybet in 2025. Step 1. Open the Sportybet app or website and log into your account. Step 2. Tap the account icon and go to your profile settings. Step 3. If editing your name is allowed, you will see the editable fields for first name and last name. Step 4. Enter the new name and tap Save Changes. Step 5. If the name fields are locked, you will need to contact your customer support via live chat or email with a valid ID for verification. Step 6. Once approved, your name will be updated in your account. Name edits are limited for security reasons, so always double check before registering. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.